So I just want to make this video because I recently made the mistake of buying some Tesla M40s with these oddball brackets. I think these are for some HP server. I don't know. The seller didn't disclose it though, and they put the wrong part numbers, so I kind of got stuck with these. And what you need to do is you need to buy the appropriate faceplate off of eBay or wherever you prefer. I got this one on eBay. I will be linking to it in the description. It's not a sponsored link. I don't get anything from linking to it. It's just the person I bought from, and they seem to work, so it's cool. But you'll need to remove the back bracket. You'll need a long number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So like my little iFixit screwdriver, it won't reach. So just a normal long number 2 Phillips screwdriver, as my other screwdriver goes rolling away. And just remove the back bracket. There's not really any good reason to buy the support bracket for this. I've really seen no issues with sagging or anything like that in my servers, so I wouldn't waste your time trying to hunt one of those down. And these screws, if they are from the factory and they haven't been touched before, the Loctite they put on the threads will make them kind of tricky to remove. I've kind of played with this one already, but you can see there's some blue Loctite on the threads. Then you need normal, just number 1 Phillips for these screws here, along with this back corner screw. Not a bad idea to hold on to the screws from the old brackets. I don't really think there's any good reason to hold on to the brackets though, unless you happen to have the particular server this is intended for, which I don't think anyone does, so maybe you can sell them on eBay. I don't know, you know, it's like, but shoot, I lost that screw. Where'd it go? There it is. So yeah, get these 3 screws out here, and then this screw here in the back corner, like that. And this will just slide out forwards. With the hole spacing and everything, you can't put this on wrong, but this tab here towards the top needs to go between the back plate and the PCB. It'll force you to do that from an alignment standpoint one way or another, but you just kind of wedge your fingernail under there, lift it up gently, and then slide it under. If you have that metal tab in the wrong spot, what will happen is these holes won't line up. And I found it's easiest if you put that screw in first. Don't screw it in all the way though, so you have some slack as I'm throwing other screws around. Boy, I am just clumsy today. So just get it in loosely, just enough so you can still fiddle this around, because you can get these out of alignment. And same with these 3 screws. Get them mostly started. And then I would just progressively tighten them up. That will ensure that you get this bracket in the correct orientation. And I don't know if this is a genuine bracket or an aftermarket, but it's pretty much identical to the originals if you were to buy one of these Tesla M40s with this bracket. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.